Today we're in Lund, in the south of Sweden. It's one of Sweden's oldest cities and home of the historic Lund University. Let's go for a wander and see what this city has to offer. First impressions are bikes are very popular here. Started raining a bit now, but that's not going to put us off seeing the city. There's a lot of colourful balloons hanging up above this street. I'm not sure what the story is, but it's quite cool. So this is Lund Cathedral. It's 900 years old approximately, and there's a lot of student party activity going on today, it seems. Walking through the park next to the cathedral now. The rain is starting to ease off a little. I'm not sure if we're gonna get some more in the next few hours though. Let's hope not. And here's a better view of the cathedral from the other side of it. I can imagine this is a very nice city to visit in the summer. Lots of parks and open areas. So this area here is where the university began in 1668. Now the university is much bigger. There's a bigger campus just a short walk from here, which we'll go and have a walk around later. These ducks don't seem bothered by the rain. Found a nice little bakery to stop and take a break from the rain. They're not both for me. That was a nice bakery. Good to escape from the rain for a while, but we can't spend all the day inside, so let's continue. We're going to walk towards the university campus area now and have a look around there. I think this is the old town that we're walking through now. In here is the open air museum. Lots of old Swedish buildings, but it's not open today. I'm sure it'd be very nice to go around though. Maybe another time. The museum's just over this wall. Let's have a peek inside. There's bikes parked up all over this city. This is the botanical gardens. We're going to have a wander through here. That was a nice park to visit. I'm sure it will be really good in the summer on a sunny day. And this house here is quite cool. There's a giraffe and zebra outside. This street here is called Student Street, so I think that means we're heading in the right direction for the university. Looks like we're coming into the university area now. So it's a weekend today, so the campus is really quiet. I'm sure that means all the students are in their rooms studying hard. This is a very interesting structure. I'm not sure if it's art or something sciencey. So that building over there is the E-Husa, the E-House. And then over here we have the V-Husa and the A-Husa. It's a very cryptic naming, I think. We're going to head back in the direction of the city centre now. It's also just about stopped raining now. Should stay dry for the rest of the afternoon and evening. This is the Faculty of Science here, and there's the astronomy house behind me. So I think that big tall building probably has a telescope in the top. So this big building on the right here is the main university library, according to Google Maps at least. Almost back in the city centre now. Wonder what's through here. We're back in the centre now. We're going to head towards the train station, I think. So we're back where we started the video from, by the tram and train station. I think I'm going to finish up now. It was nice to have a wander around Lund, even if the weather wasn't as great as it maybe could have been, but you can't control the weather, that's life. So yeah, from here we're just going to take the train back to Malmö. It's just 15 minutes, so very convenient. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see where we go next time. Thanks for watching.